Hello everybody, this is Ethan. I'm here to go through one single topic, which is mitosis. It's basically just the division of cells, but more complicated things are included. Sometimes when you look in the mirror, you may suddenly notice that you are a bit taller or bigger than when you are 5 years old. Why does this thing occur? One major thing is mitosis. It's very important for your cells to divide, otherwise it just stops growing. How could you grow without producing more cells, right? Mitosis makes identical cells. It's very important that you need to remember this is identical cell because they have the same genetic information. Humans have 46 chromosomes. That means 46 chromosomes are found in most human body cell nuclei. The chromosomes are the condensed form of DNA, and it makes it much easier to move over when making new cells, and protein included. So remember, in this way, chromosomes are made of DNA and protein. Imagine you would prefer transporting a bunch of disordered wires or a group of sorted threads. Mitosis only takes about 10% of the whole cell cycle. Interphase is the other part of the whole cycle, and it's not a part of the mitosis, so don't get confused. Maybe in the future, when you're sitting on the paper 2 question of CRE test, and the question says, please explain the whole process of mitosis, and you say, yes, I've watched Ethan's excellent video and I know what is mitosis. Then you write the whole process, including the interface. Well, the examiner may give you the mark, but it's no use to write that much words and waste time. Alright, let's back to the topic. Mitosis contains 4 phases, PMAT, PMAT, which are prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. The stages are in order. Firstly, it's the prophase. The nucleus is still where it should be. The chromosomes are invisible in this stage, and we say this as condensing. So they are basically they are thicker and can be seen under a microscope. The next stage is metaphase. In this stage, the chromosomes line up on the equator of the cell, with spindle fibers attached to the side. See the small axis in the middle in orange. Maybe it's not clear, but just see. That's the chromosomes. Then, in the anaphase, the chromosomes are moving away from each other, so the sister chromatids are moving apart from each other to the poles of the cells. They are kind of dragged by the spindles, which comes out from the centrioles. The last stage of mitosis is telophase. At this stage, the chromosomes are at the complete opposite side of the cell, and new nuclei are forming at the same position. The nuclei surrounds the chromosomes and condense. The chromosomes are 46 each. After this process, the mitosis is finished. My drawing is not that good, so we can see much clearer on this image. It includes all the processes. As you can see, the first one has condensed the DNA, which is chromosomes, so we can say this stage is prophase. The next one, the chromosomes are lined up in the middle, which is a conspicuous point of metaphase. And we can make sure this is metaphase. In the third one, we can see the chromosomes are already apart from each other. Don't forget this is caused by the spindle fibers. And finally, if we see the last one, the chromosomes are at the different side already, and the cell is kind of forming into 2 cells but still attached to each other. And again, remember, they are identical. I think that's all to the mitosis part. Just don't get confused with interphase and other things. Mitosis is quite simple. Just remember 4 stages PMAT. I'd like to remember PMAT as people meet and talk. Makes sense. That's it.